friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another wash and go. This one I'll be using Mielle products. I've done another one where I used Eco Styler gel, so you can check that one out as well. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Like and comment on this video as well as share it with any friends who might enjoy it as well. I'll keep this very concise and precise for you. I have a 3-step process I will share with you. We will start with step 0, which is what I've done so far. Let's get into it. So basically what I've done is I deep conditioned my hair overnight because I had in a beautiful feed-in ponytail with the fishtail braid. Gorgeous, check it out. And I took it out so my hair was a little sticky from the gel, a bit dry, so I wanted to really deep condition. Also, it's just a way for me to split my wash and go and to save me some time. So I like to deep condition while I do other things, and I did the deep conditioning late last night. It would have been too late for me to do the filming for you, so I broke it into 2. Anyways, what I've done so far is I have washed with my go-to shampoo and conditioner, which is the Shea Moisture coconut milk line. I get mine from Costco, that's why they are so big. By the way, everything I'll be using, the links are in the description below so that you can see exactly what I've used and exactly where to find it. So I did my shampoo and conditioner, and then I used my Mielle Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner, this one here, and I put my hair into sections with the deep conditioner. So you'll notice I have these twists in, and then I put on a steam cap, and then I tied it with a scarf and went to bed. So I just woke up like this. My hair is nice and soft, very buttery, very ready. Because when you're gonna do a wash and go, you want your hair to be supple and springy, and you want the curls to have that nice kind of stretch to them. That's really gonna help the curl definition. So that's Mielle product number 1 that I used. It is so tingly on the scalp, but not in a burning sensation. It smells amazing. Highly, highly recommend this. My hair feels good. So that was step 0. What I'm going to do now is to rinse the deep conditioner out without removing the twists, because I'll be using these same twists as my sections to do my curl defining, which will be step 1. Official step 1. So I have washed my hair out. I rinsed the deep conditioner out. I left it soaking wet. You want to make sure to do the same. Water is very important to curl definition. As you can see, the twists are still intact for the most part because I want to use these same ones to create the sections for defining my curls. Here's what you're going to need. Now, I've never done a Mielle wash and go before, guys, so we will experiment together, but I think it will be awesome. Okay, I'm going to use 3 products for my curl definition. 1, the Mielle Pomegranate Leave-In Conditioner. All the links are in your description box. I will start with that. Then I will follow with the Coil Sculpting Custard. And then I will lock the curl in with the styling gel. This is the Honey and Ginger styling gel. So these are the 3 products I will use. Leave-in conditioner is good because it gives you a softer curl, and I'm going to stretch my wash and go out for about 7 days. So I don't want to have a crunchy curl. I want it to be soft. Of course, you need something to really sculpt and define the curl. And once you have that definition, you need the gel to lock the curl pattern. All right, let us get started. You're going to need a water bottle. Fill it up with water. And just a detangling comb. This is a Conair one I found at Target. And I have this really amazing brush from the Puff Cuff. It's called Tangle Master. It's one of these ones that open up like that. So a brush like this will be great. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start section by section. And let me open up the products, make it easier. Cool. So we're gonna go section by section. Make sure you get your hair nice and wet. Then you're going to follow with leave-in conditioner. Rub the product into your hands, massage it into your hair. Really allow it to absorb. That way you won't have too much white residue. Use your fingers to stretch and to like separate the curls. I'm gonna run my Tangle Master brush through. A little bit more water. Now I'm going to add in the Coil Sculpting Custard. Ooh, this feels really good. Also, all these products by Mielle smell amazing. Alright, so I've pinned this section up so you can see better and also to just help keep your hair out of the way. So I'm still putting in the Coil Sculpting Custard. That's how it's looking, which is about normal. These products are light, is what I'm beginning to see. It doesn't have that heavy weighed down feel. But let's put on the styling gel and see what happens. So I've got styling gel. I'm going to smooth it onto my hair and just work it on. And now I'll try to find where the hair is clumping and create individual ringlets. Man, this smells good. This is a honey and ginger styling gel, and it really smells like fresh ginger. It's so good. All right, guys, how's it looking? How's it looking? Are they coming along? I think they are. All right, let's do another section together, and then I'll speed up the video and do my whole head. All right, same process. We're going to spray with our water. Oops. Detangle. Start with our leave-in conditioner to help preserve our curls, keep a softer curl for 7 days. You can do prayer hands, smooth it on. We will follow with our Coil Sculpting Custard. Sorry if you just heard my stomach. I'm starving. Haven't had breakfast yet, but I wanted to get this video up. All right, how's that looking? This is the Coil Sculpting Custard. I think that looks good. Yeah, that's really pretty. And now I'm gonna lock this curl in with the styling gel. Styling gel. Boom. Now I do have type 4 here. Not all of it is 4C. I know I have some B's in there somewhere. But also the fact that I did such a good job with deep conditioning. It's super soft. And the twist allowed it to become more stretched out, elongated. So I have a more elongated curl pattern. Look how pretty that is. I've put the link for who does my hair. I'm a Atlanta-based YouTuber. I go to Natural Expression Salon. Polka does my hair. And I'll put their information in the description box for you. That's where I got my hair colored. They also do a fabulous job with wash and goes and just taking care of your hair, your natural hair. So my hair is coming along nicely. Don't forget to keep your hair wet, so keep spraying with your spray bottle because you really need that extra moisture to help you to define the curl. Make sure to press the product into the hair and keep on kind of stretching your hair to elongate the curls and help you to get that nice ringlet look and kind of fluff as you go. I like it so far. All right, guys, how are we looking? Almost done. We're gonna do these last two sections together and I'll give you the recap. Also, stay tuned for another video where I will show you how I refresh for the next 7 days. So I'll show you what to do at bedtime and what to do the next day. And all of those are like 2 minutes. This is the hardest part. Once you're done with this, refreshing is like a 2-minute process. So let's recap. We'll do the sections together. You're going to spray with water. Get it nice and wet. Water is essential to curl definition. Go ahead and use your detangling brush. Brush from the ends. Work your way up to the roots. Then you apply your leave-in conditioner. If you don't have leave-in, you can skip it. I'm using it mainly to get a softer curl and because I have color treated hair, which needs a lot more moisture to make sure it doesn't get damaged. So that's step 1. Step 2, you are going to apply your coil sculpting custard. Get a nice portion, rub it in. Also, you can't be stingy with product. Your hair will be wet and that's okay. It will dry, but the product is what is helping you define the curls and really get it how you want it. So you can't be stingy with your product. For me, what I do is I also use Eco Styler, which is the cheapest way to do a wash and go. I have a video on that too. So I won't every time use my Mielle. I'll do it like every other time if I want to conserve product. The main difference I'm noticing with using Mielle is that I'm getting a fluffier, lighter curl instead of a weighted down, heavy curl like I would get from using Eco Styler gel or other gel-based products. This feels more fluffy, more like a mousse. It has a moussey texture to it instead of a heavy jelly texture. So step 2, we applied our curly custard. And then step 3, we're going to lock in the curl pattern with the styling gel. I'm using the honey and ginger styling gel. Rub it into both hands, then apply it to your hair. You must use your fingers like a rake in order to separate the curls and develop ringlets. That's essential. Okay. Look how pretty this is. It's so light, it's so fluffy. I love the texture. It smells amazing. The ringlets are starting to pop. If you have a dryer, you can sit under your dryer to dry. I'm just going to allow mine to air dry. If it's still wet later, that's fine. I will be twisting it and going to bed with a scarf. All right, friends, my hair is done. As you can see, I love how fluffy it is, how light. Like I was telling you, it's more of a moussey texture instead of like a heavy jelly texture. It is still wet, and that's okay. I'm gonna twist it up for tonight. Stay tuned to my next video where I'll show you my nighttime routine and my how I refresh it for the next 7 days so I can extend the longevity of my wash and go. But I really do love the Mielle products. My hair smells amazing. They were very easy to use. They're very light, and it gives your hair a nice light fluffy feel instead of that heavy weighed down feel. Again, my name is Jody. Hit the subscribe button, notifications, like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll show you how I do my refresher. It was a pleasure hanging out with you today.